Hello guys, today is TGIF. It's Friday, and as I mentioned earlier in the last video, I'm facing wiper skipping issue. So actually I've tried some DIY methods. I try to clean the window, the glass, the windshield myself, and actually try to clean the wiper as well, and none of it work. So the wiper is still very new. I just changed it like 3 months ago. It's a Bosch Aero Twin. So it can be quite annoying, especially when monsoon season is here and we have a very heavy rain and sometimes thunderstorm almost on every evening. So it can be quite annoying when you have a wiper skipping issue on your windscreen. It's very noisy and I feel very insecure as well. So I talked to my friends and they advised me to go for windscreen, proper windscreen washing, polishing and even coating. I hope this will help me to address the issue and I don't have to replace the wind wipers, because this coating package I'm getting is quite cheap. They're having a promotion for all windows, front windscreen, back windscreen, and also the 4 windows. So we'll see how good it is. No harm trying. And most importantly, I hope we can address my wiper skipping issue. Harbour Calm. There's the shop, but I suppose just park here and talk to the people first. So the person in charge asked me to drive the car to the back of the shop so that they can wash it first. Wow, McLaren, Lamborghini. Impressive place. Cayman, Porsche. So it's done, and it's done very quickly. It only took me about 1 hour, I think. Now I have to be very careful reversing. And Yeah. I don't know how good it is now, but hopefully we'll see the difference after when it's rain. Coating service actually comes with FOC car wash, and they pretty much clean the car quite thoroughly. So I actually also learned quite a few things about coating as well, and I think it can be quite, I mean, it can be a good try to minimize the risk of stone chip. Of course, it won't work as good as the paint protection film PPF, but it is still better than nothing. And the shop has recommended me a few cheaper option, or call it a trial option, with 1 year warranty, and yeah, maybe I'll try it some other day.